You have to self-analyze for your continuous improvement in communication skills. See, of course, on practicing things, we think like we are good with communication skills, but still we'll have many areas to develop, right? For that, those areas, how to develop and how to analyze yourself is very important. To get this into, first point is you have to set your goals. In setting your goals, you have to identify what are the points to be noted and like where are the areas I was lagging at. So while I'm speaking, if I miss somewhere or if I get something wrong or if I gone hurry burry or if I gave a space, these type of things you have to identify yourself. While you have to take a video or audio recording and then recheck again. So that what happens, you will be getting the analysis of you get the analysis of the things. So once you get the analysis, what you have to do, you have to have a practice on the area where you are lagging with, right? If you're having the practice on the area where you are lagging with, then you will automatically improvise the things. You have to improve yourself. Suppose if I'm lagging at the flow, I have to improve my flow by practicing and getting the things done. So in this manner, you have to set your goals of practicing and analysis and practicing will be done. So okay, what would be the second step? The second step is mentorship. My advice is to take a guidance like go and meet someone who can give you good communication skills or follow good communication chapters. So that take a guidance from someone in a very personal way so that you will learn something. If you are speaking something, get a feedback from that. If you are talking about something or if you are missing something or what are the areas of the things to be developed, get a mentorship. For your mentorship, we are here to help you out, no worries. And this helpful for you. And we, being at NewZen Academy, like we will be training you regarding the things on communication too. So if you want to seek any help, also you can call us at the given below number, so that we will help you in your communication skills training also and the areas of development for you, and the mentorship will be also given very clearly. And what was the third one? So follow few tools, follow few practicing tools like record yourself what you're speaking, record and listen to it back, or something like have some English fairy tales following or good English reading phrases, content phrases to follow the things up. Okay, so in this manner you have to have a continuous improvement in your communication skills, and for your continuous practice we are here to help you out. So if you want the communication classes or any mentorship regarding communication skills, you can just come and join us with NewZen Academy, Hyderabad.